Now you're making short videos, and what you want to do is do a voiceover. That's fairly straightforward to do. YouTube has added that now as part of the shorts making process. So if you go to your YouTube app, you press the plus icon. If you've not made a short, you can, if you just press the plus icon, now you've got an option to create a short or upload video. If you press create short, you do your process. I'm going to record, stop, and then you press the tick, and then you can go from there. You click the voiceover there. Now, if I stop that, I'm going to upload one. So I want to exit out of this. I'm going to plus upload the video. I'm going to pick this one in the garden. Now, all it's got is background sound, no audio of any value, really. So I'm going to do a voiceover for Yoda. So what I want to do is click Next. It's now uploading. Okay, now what I want to do is press the voiceover icon. So you've got sound, press voiceover. That's the little microphone. Ideally, this phone's quite good. The microphone's a decent one. If you're going to do a voiceover, you can use external little microphones like these, or if you've got a Rode, they're quite good as well. Connect it to your phone, and it'll give you a better quality voice. I'll leave links to them in the description below. So mark the area you want. So I just want to, just before I come to Yoda, I'm going to... Good afternoon, Yoda. How are you? I am fine. Everything is great, is it not? So that's me voiceover. Highly original. Hopefully no copyright infringement from Disney. So I'm going to X out of that. Good afternoon, Yoda. How are you? I am fine. Everything is great, is it not? So that's worked great. Now what I want to do is, if I go to the volume button, I can change settings here, but I can come back to that. Now if I go to sounds, now if you didn't know, short, YouTube has made available a lot more sounds and music, particularly for shorts, not necessarily for long form. So don't use this particular copyright music in your long form content. So I'm going to search for Star Wars, see what's available. Some lo-fi music here. That'll do, I think. What about that? Go with that one. Now if we tap the volume icon, now press the voiceover, so press the volume icon. Let's take the music down. Original sound, which was just the wind, really, so I'll knock that back. And there's the voiceover. So you choose the levels you want. Once you're happy with that, X out of that. Press next. Again, if you want to put filters on and all that kind of stuff, that's fine. And now you can put your caption in and upload it, and that's it. Fairly straightforward. Shall we do a recap? Okay, so if you want to do your shorts, a couple of things you need to do is obviously record your video. Once your video is done, press the check mark. That'll allow you to move to the next stage. After that, you want to press the voiceover icon or the voiceover button. Move the playhead, that's the white vertical line, to the section where you want to start your voiceover or overdub. Again, you can hit the record button to start, and you can tap it again to stop, or you can hold the button down while you're doing recording and then lift it off. That way you don't have to stop and start. So just by holding it down, that'll give you that window of opportunity or window of time for your recording. If you make a mistake, you can tap undo, and then you can redo it. Once you're happy with that, basically move to the next stage. And again, if you go to the volumes, change your original sound source or original sound volume up and down, your new voiceover. And obviously, if you're putting the backing track, you can change the levels there, and then post, and you're away. So if you have found this helpful, do give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to share it. Catch you all later. Press this subscribe button. Press. Don't forget to press the subscribe button now. If you want to grow your business using all aspects of the internet, including shorts, tap the subscribe button now.